Condenser unit not responding to thermostat calls is one of those HVAC headaches that can seriously mess with your comfort, especially when summer heat hits hard. So, first off, check your thermostat wiring because loose or damaged wires are a sneaky cause for no response from the condenser unit. Next, make sure your thermostat is set to cool and the temperature setting is lower than the room temperature, or else the unit won't kick on. If it's battery powered, swap out those batteries because dead batteries cause communication failures. You can also reset your thermostat by turning it off and on again to clear any glitches. Another thing is to check the circuit breaker that controls the condenser unit. Sometimes it trips and cuts power without you noticing. Look at your condenser's power switch too, somewhere near the outdoor unit, and flip it off and on to reset. Clean your thermostat's sensor if it looks dusty or grimy, because that can mess up temperature readings. Lastly, if all that sounds like a lot, just call a pro to avoid accidentally frying something expensive. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser units not responding to thermostat commands is ignoring simple wiring issues. Loose or corroded wires can block signals, so double-check connections and tighten any loose screws. Another common problem is thermostat settings being off. People forget to set the mode properly or set the temperature too high, so always confirm it's on cooling mode and set lower than the room temperature. Lastly, many overlook power problems like tripped circuit breakers or switches being off, so always verify these power sources before assuming the unit is broken. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid way for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get jobs done right the first time. For contractors, it's a great spot to connect with people in need of work and grow their business without jumping through hoops.